what's up, Rockstars? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. It's very late, November 5th, 2018. It's Monday. Tomorrow's Tuesday. It's election day. Make sure you do go out and at least vote, guys. Doesn't matter if your person wins or loses. Doesn't matter what you believe in. I don't care if you're Democrat, Republican, Independent, Green Party, Tea Party, or a Saturday Night Live party. Whatever you do, just go out and vote. At least put your voice out there. And hopefully the person that you want wins, and hopefully they do a good thing for your state, for this country, and for us business owners. Help us out with taxes, guys, please. Anyways, and with self-employment tax and business tax and all that stuff, please help us, whoever wins. I don't care who you are, just do good things for us. We really need help. Anyways, title of my video, sick and tired of wasting time. Absolutely sick and tired of wasting time. Last week I used the screen time. I showed you guys a video on the new iPhone setting that allows you to see how much time you're spending on games and social media and emails and internet and all that stuff. Last week, not to mention the other stuff that the iPhone shows you that you can limit yourself to, but in addition to all that wasted time and my own wasted time that I documented laying around, sleeping in, I wasted 11.5 hours last week. 11.5 hours, almost 2 hours all week long a day. 2 hours a day all week long, almost 11.5 hours. What could I have gotten done in 11.5 hours? Oh, I don't know, a whole day's worth of work. Each week is 4 extra days a month, times 12 months is 48 days. Is that right? 48 days in a year? That's over a month and a half of income. How much do you make in a month? How much time did I just waste? A month and a half, actually. If you're making $6,000 a month, you just wasted $9,000 for the year. I want you guys to record, starting Tuesday, starting Sunday, starting Monday, I don't care when you do it, record how much time you waste each day. How much time did you spend on Candy Crush? How much time did you spend sleeping in because you woke up an extra hour? Is your target sleep time 7 or 8 hours and you slept for 9 or 10? How much time did you waste? How much time did you waste, playing backgammon? How much time did you waste drinking alcohol? How much time did you waste binge watching Haunted House on Netflix? How much time does each of us waste on a daily, weekly, monthly basis? Add it up over the course of the year, and I'll bet you'll be shocked. And I bet you'll get sick to your stomach with yourself, like I just did, over how many hours a year you wasted. I wasted 11.5 hours in a week. That's like 46 hours a month. That's times what, 12 months? I wasted like 500 hours for the month. Do the math, guys. This is why some people are rich, some people are poor, and other people are under a bridge. Just a thought. So, Take accountability. Take responsibility for your hours. Everyone is limited. Everyone's got kids and jobs and responsibilities and dinners and gym and cars and all this stuff. But you know what? Only you are accountable for the time that you waste. Make it a point to stop wasting time and maximize each and every hour we have in every day. I didn't say be a slave. I said maximize your time to work. Enjoy an extra hour of sleep, but get rid of all the Netflix binge watching, or enjoy your Netflix and wake up a little earlier. Whatever it is you have to do, stop wasting time. We all do it, and I'll guarantee you after each and every one of you writes down how many hours you wasted, puts it in the comment section below, a week from now, a month from now, 2 weeks from now, whatever you want to do, come back to this video, comment below how many hours you wasted. Wait till you guys see the comments. Wait till you see how many hours people are wasting. 11.5 hours wasted for me in 1 week is probably actually good because I think I wasted like 3 hours in one day. Not even kidding, being totally transparent, honest with you guys. I BS'd around for 3 straight hours in one day. If I had done that all week, it would have been 21 hours, not 11.5. Thankfully, I busted my butt a couple of those days. But you guys will be shocked and sick to your stomach, just like I was, at how many hours you waste. That's my message to you guys tonight. Enjoy your time, but make the most of your time. Maximize it, make money, work hard, relax later. When we're old and gray and laying on a boat in the yacht in the Mediterranean, then we can waste time. Until then, gotta work hard, guys. Gotta make money, gotta be successful, and I wanna see you guys on my YouTube channel at another point in time, or on your own YouTube channel, blowing me out of the water. I'd love to see it. So that's my message to you guys tonight. Enjoy your evening. I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you go out and vote tomorrow, November 6th, 2018. Whoever you vote for, I don't care. I don't care your position. Just vote, and I'll see you again tomorrow night with our regularly scheduled video. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you like the video, subscribe. Adios.